Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best cat toy laser pointer rechargeable on the market, the Waputne cat toy pointer. If you're a cat parent or even a dog owner looking for interactive fun, stay tuned for 5 minutes of possum features, clever design, and why your furry friend will thank you for this. Let's jump right in. First impressions? It's sleek, metallic silver, and feels durable thanks to its high-quality stainless steel construction. There's a solid weight to it, not too heavy, but definitely not flimsy like cheap plastic toys. Right out of the box, it screams premium. And now, the feature that really sets this toy apart: USB direct charging. That's right, no more scrambling for batteries in the middle of playtime. Just remove the back cover to expose the built-in USB port and plug it into any USB charger. Whether it's a wall adapter, power bank, laptop, or even your car. It charges fully in about 20 minutes, making it super convenient and eco-friendly. Here's where things get really fun. The Waputne laser pointer isn't just a one-trick toy, it comes with 7 adjustable patterns. That includes 3 light colors and 5 engaging shapes: dot, butterfly, smiley face, star, and a mouse. Your cat won't get bored because the variety keeps the chase unpredictable. And yes, your dog might get in on the action too. The entertainment value here is huge. Whether it's zoomies at night or a lazy afternoon energy boost, this toy turns your living room into a feline playground. And it's not just about fun. This is training and exercise wrapped in one sleek package. But Waputne didn't stop there. It's also got a multifunctional design. In addition to being a pet toy, it can be used as a standard pointer for presentations. With a single push to activate, you won't need to keep your finger down while using it, which is a small but thoughtful feature. Plus, there's a purple light mode that can be used to detect counterfeit currency. Talk about unexpected versatility. Now, let's talk portability. It has a built-in metal clip and an anti-lost rope, so you can clip it to your pocket, bag, or leash and take it to the park or on a trip. It's made to go wherever your pet goes. And at the heart of it all, this toy is about connection. Playing with your pet strengthens your bond, eases boredom, and keeps them mentally and physically stimulated, all with the push of a button. So to recap, it's rechargeable, pattern-rich, multifunctional, portable, and durable. That's a whole lot of value for a small, affordable gadget. The Waputne cat toy pointer is more than just a toy, it's an experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on product reviews, and if you want your cat to level up their playtime, you know what to do. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.